What's up, guys? So I'm here at Home Depot picking up the lumber that's needed for this job, and you hear the overhead thing going on. So far we got 70 2x4s and 12 pieces of sheetrock. Got some bags of compound and some some easy compound. It's kind of like you just mix it with water and it's pretty light, easy to sand. But now it's off to the green boards. Well, actually, these are all green boards, but we're off going to get the green 2x4s so that we can put those at the bottom. Just for basement, it's just better to put it there just in case, insects, well, with potential water. You want to make sure that you have something that can withstand weather conditions like that. All right, guys, going back in. See you guys in a bit. Hey, what's up, everybody? So we are loaded and ready to go. As you can see right behind me, I got everything that we need in here, plus some stuff inside of the bed as well. So in case you guys don't know, I don't think I've ever shown you guys. So this is what I use for all of the projects that I do, and I'll show you guys. If you see me on the road, that's my insignia right there, so you know who I am. So everything is packed, ready to go. We're off to the customer's house to drop this off, and we're going to start on finishing up on this project. All right, guys, see you soon. Don't forget, guys, make sure you subscribe and comment below.